Welcome to our series on creating effective prompts for AI. Today, we'll discover what a prompt is and why clarity is key. A prompt is an instruction or question you give to an AI to get a precise response. For example, what are the best science fiction books is a prompt. To get precise answers, be clear and specific. Instead of asking, "Tell me about dogs," ask, "What is the best dog breed for an apartment?" Here are some examples of effective prompts. List the benefits of solar energy in 2024. What are the top 3 exercises to strengthen abs? Explain the process of photosynthesis in simple terms. These prompts are precise and guide the AI towards useful responses. Thanks for watching. In our next video, we'll dive deeper into crafting precise prompts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you soon.